All right, this is Aaron growing in Portland. This is a garden quickie. As you can see, I just planted my seed potatoes, some Yukon Golds, some reds, and some carrots over there. We're gonna cover this up shortly because we know the squirrels are gonna come by and try and tear this up. Now let's go over and check the garlic. So over here, we have the garlic. The garlic is going good. Let's take this out. Squirrels are always trying to get in. Squirrels just don't stop. All right, looking good. Let's go check out the potatoes inside and the seeds. Here we have some new seeds starting up. We'll be doing some more seeds shortly. This is the perfect window to grow seeds in so that they can go out in the garden in the springtime. All right, we're inside the house and we just seeded these potatoes here, and once they sprout up, a couple of buds, we'll put them outside too, and another grow bag. Hope you're all having a great winter and take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. All right, a little bonus here. I forgot to mention that I trimmed back all of the roses, which is what you're supposed to do in January and February. So springtime, they can all come back and blossom and bloom. You gonna say hi, Kelly? Meow. Meow. That's a good kitty. Yeah, that's a good kitty. Yeah, okay.